taking apart a Behringer analog mixer, and I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna put air in it, air dust it, clean with air. Okay, air in a can. Get it from your Best Buy, Amazon. Get it, order it online or at a micro center near you. And I'm gonna tell y'all, like, this whole process was tedious because I was like, I'm gonna take apart every piece, and it was not that easy. I was sweating bullets doing this whole process. Like, I wish I had my electric one. I have an electric one somewhere. When I say I have, it's my husband's. But I was gonna like, I was gonna do all of it because I was like, nope, I ain't about to deal with it. But it's my first time taking apart something like this. We took apart the other ones the day before, and the smaller ones are a lot easier. But I'm glad I was able to get through, open this up, because you have to clean them. Dust particles can get in there because of the fan and the heat that's in there. And then, you can see his guts. And I wonder if, like, everybody cleans them out. But, yes, I was able to clean mine out. So many screws, I ain't lose not one. Opening the back piece was difficult. And actually, putting it back together, y'all, was actually annoying. Silly, you can't even take that apart. Duh. This is where my boss comes to help me. But yes, I was like, oh my gosh. And the can gets so cold. And then we found out pieces were also broken off inside due to wear and tear. And he had to get some super glue and put everything together, back together. And then, like I said, I just tried to clean it out as much as I could. And like I would have never thought to do that. Like, now I know, like, oh, we can put this back in. This is the light. Like, just to see how that works. Whole time I didn't even need to do this part. I'm telling y'all, this is me thinking above and beyond, to infinity. Like, I didn't even have to take this apart all the way, because then I would have had to solder it. And I don't own a soldering kit anymore. And I don't want to ruin equipment that I'm using to make money with, like, the next day. So, especially if it's not something I do all the time. I don't take stuff apart all the time and do any of this. My husband does that. But I wanted to make sure this whole thing was dusted. Okay? I didn't even have to take that apart. Like, if I had taken it apart, all of that, solder it back in, and then I would have had to put the little gold rivets. You see these little rivets? The thing he just set on the table. That little rivet right there.
So now
they all fell out. Like 6 of them fell out. I was able to get 2 back in.
the things that are unscrewed, you won't be able to screw them back.
I won't.
Yeah,
Like, little did I know that it was made like this. So I don't make the same mistake that I did.
You're not gonna be able to put it where it goes.
And again, when we test it later on down in this video, it'll work. See, 2 of them came out. How was I supposed to?
This one's gone.
I'm like, oh, I'm about to take this whole thing off. Can't do it because it's soldered in.
So this is basically what holds the
Soldered in.
separate.
But I was able to dust it, so it's cool.
And that's screws. So if you want, it's screw everything back.
Okay.
And then start.
Oh, this part was a struggle. Had me sweating really bad. Like, taking things apart is one thing. Putting them back together, holy cow. So basically, I missed a couple screws, had a couple screws that did not fit back in this place. Definitely was frustrated. It was my first time doing that, so did my best. Did my best. You're not even supposed to take out the front. Here, I'm just gonna make sure everything works because, again, we make money with this, so, you know, fruitful years for me. I had to test each input and tested each
check
lining or quarter inch port input and making sure volume gain was good, making sure fader was good. Output, inputs, everything was working just fine. So, yeah. And I tested it with my DI as well.
1, 2, 1.
Yeah, so basically,
Okay.
that was from that TV
Yes.
that we
I don't
found.
do this often. Oh my
Put a screen on
god.
top of
Yes,
it and
the
make
quality
it
is so
a
nice.
light filter.
Yeah.
And this was a nice snack for the end of the day because that was a hard day's work.